Being consistent on social media is hard, but it's 10 times harder when you run a business. So in this video, I want to run you through 3 websites that's going to make content creation 10 times easier for you while you're also running a business. And these will allow you to save time, allow you to get views, allow you to get leads and clients through your content without having to spend a load of time on it, okay? And if you're wondering who I am, my name's James, owner of Magnify Your Content Media. I've been able to get me and my clients over 100+ million views on social media. Been able to get them loads of leads and clients through their content as well. And also they've been able to do this while only recording 1 hour a week. Literally 1 hour, that's all they spend on their content, okay? So again, that's my social proof, and let's get into the video. The first website / app that I'm going to run through is very helpful for planning content and everything like that. You can literally write down everything on here, you can plan everything, you can see when it's in certain areas. And this first app is called Notion. Notion is super helpful, especially if you have something called a content dashboard. I've created a content dashboard for myself, and I'm going to leave it in the description so you can literally just copy and paste it if you want it. I highly suggest you having it. All this content dashboard is all the content stuff in one place. So I have a content calendar, I have a content strategy, I have when certain videos are in certain aspects. So for example, if I'm filming one, if I'm scripting one, if I'm editing one, I know where it is. And it's really helpful to have this, so you just know everything's in one space. So you have it, you can just click on this and you have it all in one space. You know your content strategy, you can look back at it, you know your ICP, your ideal client, you can look back at it every time you're creating content, and it's really good. And also what I have in here is something that I can come up with 100 content ideas literally every time I look on it, because I have something called Still Like an Artist, and this is basically just full of coaches that I like, and I think content's good and they're getting views and leads. I can click on them and replicate them, but add my own unique spin to them. So Notion is really important, and it's really good for content creation, and that's especially if you have a content dashboard. Again, I'm going to leave that content dashboard in the description, so if you want to copy it you can. If not, don't worry about it, you can create your own. The second website / app I want to run you through will help you with everything when it comes to ideation, scripting, and everything like that. Just looking up stuff in general when you want to learn things, you can do it through this as well. And that app is called ChatGPT. So ChatGPT is very good because it's AI. It literally can come up with everything for you. I actually use it for certain scripting parts. So for example, when I want to come up with a new word that I haven't used, and a word that I keep on using, I want to change it up, I can look up what word to change it to. It gives me loads of words. It also gives me if you put in a certain framework to ChatGPT, you can get a whole script that actually sounds like a human, or it doesn't sound like one but looks like one, and then you can just add your own unique spin to it. I do this sometimes on scripts that I send to my clients. I don't do it fully because I feel like that just takes away from the point of scripting your videos, but I actually do use it most of the time for little aspects of the script, of ideas, especially for ideas. If you implement the right frameworks, I've used it for my Instagram bio. You can insert your bio and just say, can you improve this? And it gives you a full framework that you can use. ChatGPT for content creation, so it's amazing because it just makes everything 10 times easier and also 10 times quicker, because again, you can come up with a full script in like 10 seconds. You can come up with 100 content ideas in 10 seconds, 100 good content ideas as well. If you insert the right prompt, it's just going to give you everything you need to create content like 10 times faster. And what I'm going to do down below, this is a paid thing, so if you do want to copy it, you can. It's just literally all the prompts I use for my content creation, for the scripting, for the ideation, for the Instagram bio. If you want to copy it, it's full of those prompts for ChatGPT to use for content creation. So if you're not interested in content creation, don't know why you're watching this, and that you wouldn't buy that, but most of you who are watching are interested in content creation, so you are. So I would copy that. It's full of ChatGPT prompts that you can implement and use, and just make everything 10 times quicker for yourself. Now, having a clean looking video is super important, especially when it comes to getting more views on your videos. And the next app that I want to speak about is amazing for this, and it's beginner friendly, so you can use it if you're a beginner, if you're just starting content creation, if you just don't know how to make a video look nice, you can use this. It's literally so simple. And the next app is CapCut, okay? And I say this because there's a lot of editing softwares out there, and what I always always say is the quality of your videos represents your personal brand, which represents your business. So if you want to stand out and become a go-to authority, and you position yourself as the best within your industry, you need the best quality content. And CapCut, and obviously you need an editing software for this, but if you're I say CapCut because it's the easiest to use. You can put captions on your video, you can do everything you need to do. It's really simple to use, and I say CapCut as well because, again, it's just the simplest one I use. I use CapCut sometimes for myself, or my editors don't use CapCut though, because they're very high quality edits that my editors do. They use like Premiere Pro, After Effects, etc. But if you're a beginner or if you're doing it yourself, I would use CapCut because it's so simple and it makes it 10 times easier. You can just insert your video, cut it up, and then add captions if you want. Okay, really simple to use, and it makes everything 10 times quicker. Okay, in CapCut you can color grade, you can add animations, you can add graphics, just like any other paid platform, and it's really good to use. Okay, so yeah guys, those are the 3 main websites that can make content creation 10 times easier and 10 times quicker for you. I'm going to leave them in the description, so if you want to get the Notion dashboard you can. If you want to use ChatGPT, you can just look it up, or I'll leave it in the description as well. And if you want to use CapCut you can, and all of these are the free version. You can do everything I just said on the free version. Okay, so you don't have to pay for the membership for the pro versions of these. For ChatGPT you don't have to, for CapCut you don't have to, for Notion you don't have to. You can use these all for free, and yeah, I'm going to leave them all in the description so you can use them. And yeah, thanks for watching. If you want to learn how I got one of my clients to 140,000 followers and made him $5,000 from just one video, and that video got around 3.9 million views, you can check the videos up. I think it's either up here or up here. You can go watch that video. But yeah, thanks guys for watching, really appreciate it, and peace.